Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting the like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave with us not. As you can see, it's a little late in the evening. Something said, pick up them calls, girl. Something was going on. So here I am. Take a resonate, leave with us not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy, okay? Energy is always fluid. All right, what y'all got going on? Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful weekend. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm seeing rigged games. It's the first card that came out. Something is going on here at the bottom of the deck. It's in regards to your person. I think we just did rigged games not too long ago. The last time I utilized these cards, they spoke of rigged games, manipulation, and or oh, um, manipulation and or intervening from a close friend or family member, usually a female, to cause a breakup in a relationship. Are you with somebody your family and your friends doesn't agree with? That they're trying to cause a breakup? It look like there's an energy of someone that is jealous. There's an energy of lies and someone causing drama. There's an energy of deceit, especially when it comes to a connection between you and your person. Clarify these rigged games. One card, please, Spirit. What's happening with these rigged games? This is the energy of somebody throwing their rock and hiding their hands. Whatever this person is, could be someone that's trying to portray themselves as possibly very spiritual or religious. Clarify rigged games. Rigged games, please, Spirit. What's going on? The Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Rigged games. I'm seeing an axe here. All right, so we do have an axe here. I'm seeing there's an energy of breakup, separation, stopping the pattern. There's some sort of silent treatment or abandonment. Okay, so there's an energy of severance and ties from whoever this person is. Or this could also talk about the energy of this person trying to break you up from your person, cause some sort of separation or something like that. Let's go ahead and continue on. Okay, whoever this person is, or you could be giving them the silent treatment, they could be giving you the silent treatment or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of breakup, some sort of separation here. Okay. Clarify this acts in regards to these rigged games. Clarify the acts regarding the rigged games for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to this acts energy? The acts. Whew, look, it came out with relationship in reverse. It's definitely an energy of someone coming against a connection you have with someone, trying to break it apart. Yeah, there's an energy of karma here. This person, whoever this energy is or people are, is definitely going to be receiving some sort of karma. The number four, the number 100 could definitely be significant. This is an energy of what goes around comes back around. Yeah, because they're doing it towards an earth angel, is what I'm seeing here. Number 74 could be significant. Yeah, they're going to get immediate karma for coming up against an earth angel and a connection that this earth angel have with someone. This is almost like, if even if this is a lesson, say the people outside the connection don't want y'all together, it seems like what's happening is things going to happen in divine time. And so if it's not meant for you guys to be together, spirit will separate you guys after you have learned the lesson as an earth angel, from what I'm seeing here. But instead, it seems like there's an energy of someone intervening, okay, to try to stop. All right. I'm seeing clarifying that with a third party stitch coming in between the relationship and the connection. This can even be somebody's ex girlfriend or ex boyfriend or something like that. But like I stated before, it could be um, family members, it could be friends of yours or whoever this person is. I'm seeing that there's an energy of emotional pain. Yeah, causing a lot of emotional pain because they're trying to bring something to an end with this death card. Some of them may be even utilizing witchcraft, magic or something like that to come in between the connection that you have. All right, to cause some sort of heartbreak. That's ridiculous, causing some sort of emotional pain. And it looks like you guys may very much have a family with whoever this person is. Or this is simply talking about a family member that just doesn't agree with the person that you are with. Say, for example, this person could possibly be someone that treats you very, very well. And it seems like, again, someone being jealous or envious of the connection that you have. So they try to create, cause problems in the connection, or speak over negatively of the person to have you thinking negatively of your person, so it can create some sort of wedge in between the two of you. Okay, this could be the person that you're dealing with, mom or relatives or family, possibly feeling like they deserve better. You get what I'm saying? Trying to control who this person deal with, or if this is somebody mother, this could be someone where this mother doesn't want them to move on or leave them behind. You get what I'm saying? They don't want to let their child go, even though they're, adults, is what I'm saying here. Look, the energy of manipulation could definitely be significant here. Utilizing some sort of manipulation, utilizing, the person or place or title that they have in their life. I'm seeing that all of that is definitely going to be coming to an end with this endings card number 91. And I'm showing this person in the end will be definitely getting blocked because what is happening, everything is happening for a reason. It looks like there is somebody here that's operating out of their north node. And I'm seeing that there's a brighter path here. All right. I'm seeing you guys have definitely a brighter path with whoever this person is you're dealing with. It seems like there's an energy of people, places, and things trying to come in between that by creating false statements. You get what I'm saying? All right. It seems like a group of people or something like that came to an agreement to do so or something like that. To cause some sort of breakup or to sever some sort of ties between you and this person. That's what I'm seeing here. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's showing you and it came out the veil in reverse. I feel like whatever this is, I feel like at first you possibly didn't see how they really feel about whoever this person is. I feel like this is like an energy of people trying to hide it though. With the veil in reverse, it's like an energy of someone not trying to be seen as the person that's starting it or the person that's, orchestrating this whole thing. Is what I'm showing here. Look, there's an energy of veil in reverse and a ritual. I feel like whoever this person is might be doing some sort of invisible to be invisible, or again, like I said, this is the energy of the throwing a rock, hiding your hand type of energy, not wanting to be seen. I'm seeing you guys definitely being protected. Anything else for this X energy, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective? Anything else? I'm seeing Ice King energy out here, so we could definitely be speaking of a masculine. And I'm seeing energy of giving evil eye. Yeah, Ice King, number 42. So it seems like there's an energy of someone being emotionally unavailable. So it could be a masculine or a feminine energy. And I'm seeing an energy of giving evil eye. Yeah, there's energy of someone giving the evil eye. They're jealous, they're hating, they're envious. Jealous person who lies and cause drama. Yeah, because I'm not seeing that your person doing anything. It seems like somebody's just trying to cause or create some sort of wedge in a connection that you have, causing drama. I'm seeing surprise, some sort of message. Hmm. Yeah, like this is if someone who's giving you the evil eye, relaying some sort of message. Some sort of surprising message or something like that. I'm seeing whoever you are, I'm seeing energy of self-love here with you guys. You possibly spend a lot of time in solitude. You could be someone that knows your self-worth and things like that. And this is could really be a good thing for you, but it's like somebody trying to stop that. This person is utilizing somebody utilizing divination to peep in on the connection that you have, y'all. They're trying to see what the heck y'all got going on. It's like whoever this person is can be someone. I'm saying community. A community of people is what I'm seeing here. Some of them are still trying to do voodoo or are doing voodoo or something like that, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of bondage. I feel like these people are going to be binded by the very things that they are trying to do to you. It's coming back to them. I'm seeing an energy of concern because things are not working in your favor. Actually, this whoever you're with or getting ready to be with is actually a gift. But then you got people possibly from your side of the family, their side of the family, or whoever connected to you, connected to them. It's like they giving an evil eye because you found a connection or have a love that they possibly will never experience in their life. Is what I'm saying here. And it's a gift. All right. Whoever these people are, they place themselves in the energy of bondage. Yeah, I'm speaking to a divine feminine energy. A divine feminine energy that right behind divine feminine, that whoever this person coming up to get you, these are there's somebody using flying monkeys. They be using flying monkeys talking about people, telling people about you and stuff like that. That's what I'm saying here. These people with the flying monkeys watching divine feminine energy is what I'm showing here, and it's something significant to a house. I don't know if they're watching a house or something like that. Divine feminine is actually coming out as a rich girl, very abundant. Nine of Pentacles energy, very prosperous, energy of luxury, abundance, independence, stabilities, securities. You have your ancestors here protecting you. Okay, creating or causing, it's like causing or creating some sort of balance to the situation. Yeah, in the end, I'm seeing that there is an energy of achievement here. It seems like you guys win in the end. You are a couple with a priest, a divine masculine energy, a very spiritual masculine energy. And I'm seeing an energy of abundance. I'm seeing an energy of the chakras being in alignment and people trying to cause illusions, confusion, and chaos. Being very abusive, mentally, emotionally, possibly even physically. Type of energy is what I'm showing here. That's what I'm saying. That's crazy.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.